Hello, welcome to BackToCoding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about TextViews and EditTexts. Let's look at the most common GUI components. You have already seen some of these, but we will review them anyway. TextView. Used for displaying text. You define a text view in your layout using the TextView element. You use Android text to say what text you wanted to display, usually by using a string resource. The TextView API includes many attributes to control the text view's appearance, such as the text size. To change the text size, you use the Android text size attribute like this. You specify the text size using scale-independent pixels. Scale-independent pixels take into account whether users want to use large fonts on their devices. A text size of 14 sp will be physically larger on a device configured to use large fonts than on a device configured to use small fonts. You can change the text displayed in your text view using the code like this. Edit text, like a text view but editable. You define an editable text view in XML using the edit text element. You use the Android hint attribute to give a hint to the user as to how to fill in it. You can use the Android input type attribute to define what type of data you are expecting the user to enter so that the Android can help them. As an example, if you are expecting the user to enter numbers, you can use Android input type is equal to number to provide them with a number keypad. Here are some more. Phone provides a phone number keypad. Text password displays a text entry keypad and your input is concealed. Text cap sentences capitalizes the first word of a sentence. Text autocorrect automatically corrects the text being input. You can specify multiple input types using the character. As an example, to capitalize the first word of a sentence and automatically correct any misspellings, you would use Android input type is equal to text cap sentences text autocorrect. You can retrieve the text entered in an editable text view like this. That's it for this video. I'll be continuing more on this topic in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment on this video, which really motivates me to make such useful content for you. Also, don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you, and finally, subscribe to my channel.